Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In the world of trading, mastering strategies and charts is essential, but there's an even more critical aspect for success: the psychology of trading. In this video, we'll explore how your emotions, thoughts, and behaviors can influence your trading decisions and how you can develop a winning mindset. Let's dive into the exciting world of trading psychology. The importance of trading psychology. Before diving into charts and patterns, it's crucial to understand how psychology can impact your trades. Fear, greed, impatience, and overconfidence are common emotions that can lead to erratic decisions. But don't worry, today we'll explore strategies to control these emotions and make more rational choices. Emotional control. The first step is recognizing your emotions and how they influence your decisions. Loss and gain can trigger intense emotional responses. Learn to control these emotions by setting clear limits and practicing patience. Remember, trading isn't an emotional gamble but a data-driven and strategic approach. Discipline and routine. Discipline is key. Establish a solid routine for your trades, set specific timings, follow your strategies, and maintain a trading journal. This will help you stay focused and avoid impulsive decisions. Remember, consistency in your approach takes you far. Risk management. Risk management is crucial to protect your capital. Define how much you're willing to risk in each trade and set clear stop-loss limits. This will help you stay calm even in volatile situations. Maintaining perspective. It's crucial to remember that losses are part of the game. Even the most successful traders experience losses at some point. What matters is how you recover and move forward. Maintain a long-term perspective and avoid being swayed by short-term results. Conclusions and final tips. Trading psychology can be challenging, but with practice and self-awareness, you can improve your mental skills and make more informed decisions. Always stay in tune with your emotions, maintain discipline, and effectively manage risk. Closing. Thank you for joining us on this journey through trading psychology. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and activate notifications for more related content. Leave your comments and questions below. It's always great to hear from you.